Enterprise solutions like PLM, ERP, MRP, and MES are essential for shipyards to remain competitive. Still, many yards struggle with manual processes and ad hoc solutions to connect enterprise tools and share data, leading to poor collaboration across departments. A major part of the challenge is the scale and complexity of shipbuilding. Shipbuilding solutions need to manage thousands of suppliers, hundreds of tools, a massive inventory, a wide array of production facilities, and logistics that span the entire shipyard and the globe. Moving beyond unsustainable manual processes and ad hoc solutions makes it possible to accurately predict and forecast operations, simplifying how you work with data, and align the entire shipyard to one source of truth. The result is an organization that trusts its information. Enterprise Platform has been tailor-made to automatically translate the shipyard's data into the appropriate format and deliver to each stakeholder across the shipyard and throughout a ship's life cycle. That means automatically capturing in progress work on the model, controlling released blocks, assemblies, bill of materials, and more in the PLM, and feeding that accurate, relevant, and trusted information to the entire organization via the ERP system. Changes made to a single hull can easily be transferred to follow-on ships, ensuring that no change is missed. All bills of materials are up to date, and every vessel is built better and more cost-effectively. Enterprise Platform strengthens shipyard systems capabilities, frees your highly skilled workforce from doing repetitive tasks or rework, and gives them more time to do what they do best: shipbuilding.